Hi guys, today I'm going to prepare another care package for my daughter. She is off to college and I want to send her a cozy package this time. I've only done one other care package on my channel and it was a Halloween themed package, so I will link that down below. And the reason why I'm sending two back to back is because I actually meant to send one in September and forgot all about doing care packages. So then by the time I remembered, it was going to be a Halloween themed one, and then I want her to have like a little wintry cozy theme, and that's this one. But she won't get one in December or January because she'll basically be home. So I think the next care package is going to be a Valentine's Day themed. So if you're interested in seeing all of my care packages that I'll probably be sending for the next 4 years, then click subscribe and hopefully I'll see you guys in those videos. I also do a lot of home decorating, a lot of hauls, and some DIYs. Okay, so I'm showing you guys, you've probably been checking some of the items out, but let's go ahead and get into detail on what I have going on here. So some of this was left over from the Halloween care package because I thought, you know what, let me just do a cozy theme. So I pulled out the socks. So these are from Dollar Tree and they're just some fuzzy socks, the black and blue. And then I got her some makeup wipes, you know, just a couple of little necessities. Some makeup wipes. She loves the shaving cream. I actually get this at Dollar Tree as well. I think I sent her the pink one in the Halloween one, and so then I reserved the purple for this one. Then I got her some lip balm. You know, winter time, her lips get pretty chapped, and so I got her this one. It is sweet mint, and she gets two in here. And this is a little trinket jewelry box that I also got from Dollar Tree. Isn't this gorgeous? I hauled it on my channel. There were other colors to choose from. I'll link that video down below as well. And what I did was I put in a little pair of earrings. Ta-da! Aren't those pretty? So, and this is just a gorgeous box. And then she's probably just thinking, oh, I'm getting this cute box, but when she opens it, there will be a surprise inside. So funny thing about these two products, I was in her room cleaning and found them in her makeup drawer. I think she just forgot about them, so I'm basically resending her stuff that she already owns. And this is a great way to put those, you know, mini instant films that she could take with those. Then I got her this camera. I actually got doubles of these from Amazon. I'll link these down below, but I'm saving one for her stocking, and it's just a, you know, little disposable camera. I got her some slippers. These are from Walmart, and this is really what's gonna make this whole package cozy. You know, she'll really need something that's gonna keep her warm. And then in here is a coffee or a mug that has her initial on it. So because I'm sending her a mug, I'm also sending her roommate a gift, and we'll talk about how I'm splitting that up in a minute. But because I'm sending them mugs and it's a cozy theme, we're also gonna do some honey and tea. So I got this honey, got it from Walmart. I live in Texas, so raw and unfiltered Texas honey. Got that, and then the throat coat, which is the best tea on earth. I love this stuff. I think I even made a whole dedicated video about it. And yeah, this is the best tasting tea. I'm not a tea person, but it's amazing, and it really does help with, you know, your sore throats and all that stuff. So I also wanted to include some honey spoons. I used to always get those at like stores, TJ Maxx or Home Goods, but I have not been able to find them. So no honey spoons for this one, but maybe next time. And then of course, because of mugs, I'm gonna send them some marshmallows and some hot chocolate. And then they'll have this marshmallow, which is my favorite. It's from Dollar Tree, and it is the best marshmallow on the planet. Kraft, all those other people that do marshmallows don't do it like this company. I'm telling you, I'm telling you. All right, over here, we've got some cough drops. And then I actually hauled these from Dollar Tree, and I thought this would probably be perfect for the cozy theme. It's natural saline. It's like a Kleenex. It's fragrance-free, hypoallergenic, alcohol-free. It's good for runny nose, sore nose, allergy nose, soothes and moisturizes with aloe, chamomile, and vitamin E. And then over here, she loves Mambas. I actually included them in the Halloween package, so I'm including them again in here. And then I'm sending her another Apple Watch band. These were very inexpensive. They were $5 from Amazon, so I'm sending her this color. And then let's travel down here for a second. These are the materials I'm going to use to decorate. I'm doing another black theme. I'm going to basically say I love you more than all the stars in the sky, so you can just kind of see, you know, where I'm going with this. And this is from Dollar Tree as well. It is a fragile shipping label, so I put this out here so that I wouldn't forget to put this on the box, because, you know, we're gonna have this, the mug, that, so a couple of breakable things I'll need to secure. Let's move over to this side. I am including some of these wonderful looking cozy socks. They are super thick. I got them at Walmart as well. They're just gorgeous. They look comfy, they're cute, and I got one for my daughter and one for her best friend and roommate. So these are the ones I'm going to give my daughter, and these are the ones I'm going to give her roommate. And then these, actually these are for my daughter, the gray ones, and then this one is for her roommate. And then I decided I was also going to send her this gorgeous, look at this, and the inside lining, you guys, from Walmart, eco-friendly, and it was $9.97, and it is just so adorable. You got the little ball at the top, and I absolutely love this. I can't wait for her to get this. It is so thick and cozy. I should have got me one. And then I'm sending her two tops, two just wintry, cute tops. This is black, and it has some crisscross detail on the back. It's long sleeves. It's pretty plain. And then this one is beigey. It just has a really interesting cut. It's not that long. I think it's like a goes to your elbow kind of thing. I just decided to throw in a couple of tops for her as well. But the box that I have is not big enough to hold everything. The slippers are taking up a lot of room. So I think I'm gonna do one package for my daughter, and then I'm gonna send a separate package for her friend. All right, now that I have determined that I can fit everything in, I'm gonna go ahead and decorate. So I'm going to use black construction paper, and I am going to add them to the flaps, to each flap, and we're also going to decorate the bottom. And so not everything fits perfectly. As you can see, there's a gap there, but I will just overlap some pieces together. And usually some glue works pretty well, but you do have to work on it a little bit to stick to the cardboard. But you could also use mounting foam tape, or even a glue gun if that's all you have. That should work probably even better than the rest of the stuff. But a glue gun is not going to leave your surface completely flat, so just keep that in mind. So the flaps are a little bit different because my construction paper doesn't fit perfectly to it, and I do want an entire black surface. So I do have to work on this a little bit by marking this up, you know, cutting the excess off and then trimming a little bit more to fill in the gaps. But it really is worth it because the end result is so pretty, and it really makes it kind of a showstopper. We got the box all done up. We decorated the flaps. I don't do the inside walls, but I did want to do the bottom of this one. And now what I'm going to do is work on the text. So I'm going to say, I love you more than all the stars in the sky. Alright, so I was actually able to complete the box without making a trip to Hobby Lobby. I just found some gold stickers I already had. It's not ideal, they're a little too small. I wanted them to be a little bit bigger. Let's just take a look at this. So when she opens, it would read like this: I love you more than, and then all the stars, and then back up in the sky. So these I did in gold and these I did in silver. And I think it turned out extremely gorgeous considering, you know, I mean, the letters really did all the work, the stars did all the work. I just had to cut and put the paper down. Alright guys, and I have finished packing it. The reason why I decided to pack almost everything individually in the tissue paper is I just thought it made the outside stand out a little bit more. If you watched my Halloween care package, I covered it up with spider webs, and that way when you open it up, this really is the focal point, the message. And you know, because all the items are different colors and different things and different textures, so I really just kind of wanted this to pop out more. So that's what I've done here. And honestly, I thought about doing like a layer of like the snow blankets that Dollar Tree sells and lay it on top to make it look like clouds, and then maybe put some more stars on top. So I think I'm actually going to do that as well, but everything pretty much fits perfectly in here, and I just have to package it up and send it on its way. Hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I am going to package up her friends in a different box. I don't know if I'll be filming that or not, but I hope that you guys enjoyed this and got some inspiration from it. I've already gotten several messages from some of you after you saw my Halloween care package. You sent some off to your family. You loved doing it. Your family really loved receiving it, and I just love that. I love that for you guys, and I'm glad that anything that I could do and share with you can make you guys happy too. Obviously, I did not invent the care package system, or even the decorating of it. I've seen a lot of it online, and yeah, but I like to share with you how I do it and how I decorate it and give you guys some ideas of your own. So anyways, that's it, and please give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! I decided to go ahead and get the second box decorated. This is for her roommate, and I went with a pink theme. I kind of was going off of the pom-poms that were on the socks, and then I used pink tissue paper to wrap a couple of things. So I went with pinking of you as a little pun to, you know, thinking of you. And I used Dollar Tree hearts. These are from the Valentine's Day collection, and yeah, then I went through some of my stash and found some pink stuff. This is also from Dollar Tree. It's a little keychains, keychain heart, and she has the slippers, the socks, the mug. She's got some of the K-cups in here as well, and that's pretty much it. So there is her box. Here is my daughter's box, and it's super cute. But basically, just, I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory. I did the same thing. I will say that this scrapbook paper is more of a cardstock, and the glue stick didn't work. So I had to use these foam, like, stickers, and I also got these from Dollar Tree. So they sell a roll of these there, and I basically used that to secure this cardstock to the flap here. And then I was lucky enough to already have some pink sticker letters, and it just worked out incredibly perfect. I didn't have to go anywhere. I found it in my stash. But to give you guys an idea, it just takes some pink cardstock and some pink letters, or any color letters that you want, and voila. I'm gonna throw on some pink tissue just to lay over the top, and then this one is ready to go. So now that's the end of my video, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.